break out the house archery tonight. Turkey tenders tonight, baby. The old Benelli M2 didn't let us down. We'll see you in the field. It's Joe Lang, MIF Farms.
What is going on, everybody? We did a little shopping at God's grocery store today. Got us some fresh wild turkey breast here. We told you the video was coming. We're going to show you how we cook it up to make it delicious. So, what we got going on here, we got a little house archery medium hot. We got some Slap Yo Mama seasoning. A little bit of garlic powder. And a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. So, I'm going to get some oil going here. You want to put about a ½ inch of oil in the pan, something like that. Make sure you get a nice little crisp on your delicious turkey breast. That'll about do it. Alright, well, give me a minute here. I'm going to cut all these delicious meat from God's grocery store into some nice little tender strips. And then we're going to bread it all and put it in the pan. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got them all cut up into some nice juicy strips right here. We're going to put some seasoning in the bag, get them in the oil. So this isn't like an exact recipe for this. Just kind of dump some stuff in until it looks good to you. You'll see after time how you can kind of get your ingredients to the exact way you want them. Greens go a little shake there. Get a couple of these fine little morsels here from God's grocery store. Get them in there. Close her up. It's just like bread and fish, folks. Just like bread and fish. Give them a good healthy shaking. Make sure you get them all completely covered. You can see them sometimes they like to fold up on you and not get all covered, but you want to make sure that get them all nice and coated in there, because that's the good stuff right there. Nice and coated with seasoning right there. And then you move over to your nice hot oil. Oh yeah. Nothing better than a day in the great outdoors, shopping at God's grocery store, when you get to capitalize by cooking it. Just to let you know, Colton and I did 9.2 miles today to kill this turkey. Joe was fortunate enough to kill one here right at MIF Farms. But, just get yourself outdoors, shop at God's grocery store. This is what you get. Come back at us. You cook these till they're like golden brown. There's really no time set on them. It depends on how thick you cut yours and everything like that, but don't overcook them. Do not overcook them. It will not be as good. They'll still be good, it won't be as good. Don't overcook them. Golden brown, flip, golden brown. Stay with us for the finished product. Alright, so this is the golden brown I was talking about right here. Nice and crispy. Those guys, if you'd have fried fish before, I'm talking about. So look right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, golden brown. Yeah, look at that right there. Oh yeah. That's what we're talking about right there. Like I said, do not overcook this. That goes with any wild game. Do not overcook your wild game. It will taste like shit.
That's gonna be
put
some
those on
good.
in a little while. Alright, so the first little guys are done here. As you can see, nice and golden brown on each side. I mean, it ain't probably been 5 minutes in here. Like I said, do not overcook your wild game. Do not overcook your wild game. We got the first ones coming on here. Get a little paper towel on a plate with the oil drain off them. Alright, well, let me get the rest of these fried up here and stay with us for the feast. Alright, so we're about to take the last of our tender turkey bites here. The cast iron from shopping at God's grocery store today. About to be delicious. So, here's your finished product right here. God's grocery store. Set down on the table here. We got some Chick-fil-A sauce we recommend with this. Caesar salad. We're about to sit down, we're about to throw down, have a good meal, nice little prayer before we throw down. And hey, this is what it's all about, everybody. Shopping at God's grocery store. We had a good day in the outdoors today. We put 2 turkeys down.
Throwing a little yum sauce into Deer Valley Ranch.
Hey, you gotta have a little bit of that too.
Never know what kind of meat you got in the freezer.
Good on all variations of God creatures. So, stay with us, see what's next. Hopefully tomorrow we can get some hogs on the ground. Keep shopping at God's grocery store. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, golden brown. Yeah, look at that right there. Oh yeah. That's what we're talking about right there. Like I said, do not overcook this. We got the first ones coming on here. Get a little paper towel on a plate with the oil drain off them.